Hey YouTube, here's my other story. It all started one night in my family room when me and my daughter were talking. She noticed the noise in the ceiling, so soft but loud enough for our eardrum. I didn't bother to find out more. I told her it was just a critter outside, crawling and scratching on the roof. Days and nights passed. The noise was still there, but just once in a while. Still bearable until one night, it began screeching in my bedroom ceiling. Then my daughter's, then my study rooms, then the whole ceiling of upper rooms. Time to call the pest control and got one with the best review. They came, 2 persons, a senior and junior. The first time they did was checking the surrounding outside the house. Didn't find any proof or trace of the animal. Then they checked the garage, under the kitchen sink, and all rooms in the basement. Laundry room, cold room, furnace room, no proof of mouse's presence. Then the senior brought their ladder and climbed to check the attic. Minutes later, he went down saying, "It's the mice, lots of their droppings up there. We're coming back tomorrow to put the poison," he said. The next day, the junior came alone. Put a box of poisonous food like this in each of several spots in the house, including the attic. "We're coming again in about a week to check," he said. That night, no noise I heard. I thought the problem was solved. I was wrong. The noise came again, louder than before, so I was 100% sure it was not the mice. The junior came again a week after, checking the boxes of food he put. Yes, 3 boxes looked to be touched by the mice, but I was still not convinced they caused the noise. The noise kept coming day after day. Now it sounded like thumbs. I couldn't wait any longer and asked them to come back and check. I became so upset. I urged them to listen to all my recordings, but somehow the senior one still believed it was the mice and asked me to climb up to check the attic. It was dark, all right. I didn't see any light coming in, so that means no hole or opening in the attic. No eye lights either when the flashlight was sweeping the whole room, so that means no animal's presence, which I thought could be a raccoon. Yes, I saw some mouse droppings, but that don't prove the cause is the mouse. I've paid them off, so they need to finish the job well. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, they climbed up to the roof and found out that one of the vents of the roof was damaged, making a hole big enough for the animal to get in, so they put the trap on it. The senior asked me to call the contractor to check if there were any more openings or damage in the roof. I understand fixing is not part of their job, but how come it took this long to find out? Finding no proof of animals' existence outside the house is not an excuse for not checking the roof. The contractor came. Sure enough, they found another damage on the roof, which created a hole big enough for small animals to get in, so they fixed it. They also covered all small holes they found on the walls outside, any opening which makes the mouse possible to get in. So, what's the cause of the noise actually? Enjoy these clips. Action, go! mama looked at me as if she's begging for help to get her babies out of that trap. Sorry, Mama, I won't and I can't, but don't worry, they'll find their way out. Problem solved. Thank you, Lord, for giving me back my peaceful and silent home again.